Hi guys, this is Kel once again, and this is 25th of June 2025, Crazii revision with Kel, combining OP plus KCB. Now, before we go into this detail, right, I'll just let you know that the importance of OP, and I think that I shared enough with you yesterday regarding that we must follow the OP to trade. So as long as the market stays above OP, we just look at the buy, below OP, we look for sell. Now, of course, not every day this will work because a month has about 22 trading days. All right, so 22 trading days will have back tested about 17 days. The market will follow the OP and go up or down. But there'll be some days where the market is a doji or the market has very big volatility whereby it went up first, then come back down, and then close somewhere in the middle. So if you use the strategy of follow OP and let it run until the end of the day, it may not work. So that's the reason why it's actually very important to take partial profits along the way so that you can still make the best out of everything here, just in case there are a few days market pulls back all the way and you lose nothing. So today we will cover on this particular topic right now. So let's go in the market to let you understand this better. Okay, so to make it easier for all of us, I'm going to use the traditional black and white candlestick so to make it easier for you to visualize this better. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to take away all this first. This is my own personal drawings. I'm going to take this away. Okay, take this RSI away. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is the gold chart of yesterday. Okay, yesterday's gold chart. Yeah. Okay, let's bring in the colors in, and then I'll change your arrow. Okay, let's look at the gold of yesterday. Now, yesterday gold opening price is somewhere here, right? And that level is about 3367. Okay. So basically, what is the combination of the KCB and OP is that when you short below OP right here, you're shorting because you expect the gold price to go lower because it's trading below OP right now. Okay. And it's also was trading below the MLP, which is somewhere around here. Okay. So there is a very clear sign to sell the gold market, but where take profit? Now look to the left side here, you will notice that there is a white candle, but it's being blocked previously, right? So we don't use that. We're looking for fresh KCB. So the fresh KCB will be here. Can you see that right now? And amazing, guys. Look at it. Look at the closing price of yesterday's gold and the KCB that we have over here. This is incredible, right? So you can see from the drawing here is that we were short right below the OP and aim the profit at the KCB. So what will be the level in numbers? Yeah. So the opening price here, as we all know, the opening price of gold yesterday was at about 3367. Okay. So we 3367. Let's say we try to say 365. Okay. Because 67 is like the high, the opening. So we just say we do a buffering, we sell $2 below. And the target is the KCB here. This number will be opening price is 3323. And that's the number that I mentioned yesterday to look out for buy back. So now guys, take a look. If you have shorted the gold, you would have made easily, okay, easily $42 from gold itself. Now that is a lot of money because one full contract will give you $4,200 profit. A 0.1 will give $420. So is it simple? It's that simple, right? For trading with this OP rule and KCB rule is not difficult. You just have to do your homework in advance. Okay. So now on the flip side today, if you're talking about gold today going up instead, then gold now is sitting above OP, right? So what's the KCB? The KCB is actually here. So where's the number again? This number will be 3367, right? Okay. So that is the same number that we have earlier. So this is 3367 as the target. Today opening price for gold is somewhere at 3323. So if you buy at 3325, for example, we're looking at a potential profit about $42 or so. Okay. All right. Interesting. Yeah. Okay. So that is why I'm saying that if you look at it, it's going to be very cool. Yeah. Okay. So that is for the gold. Let's look at yesterday's Dow Jones, shall we? So yesterday Dow Jones was the same thing again. You just have to follow the uniqueness of the opening price theory. So you buy above OP, which is here. the nearest available KCB is here. So let's take a look on how you do the mathematics, and let's see. The opening price is at 42,593. So 42,000. Okay, 42,593. So let's say we take at 610 example, or 615, yeah. Give 20 point buffer, and then we hold it all the way to the opening price, and that will give me 42,910, the same number that I mentioned to you right yesterday, 42,910, based on the indicator. So we have here. So from here to here, we have approximately about 300 points. Now 300 points again, a full contract will give you $3,000. If it's 0.1, it'll be at least $300 for yourself. So you see, it's not difficult to trade within the opening price rule and the KCB. You just have to have faith and belief. Now, the distance from 615 to 910, it won't be like throw in the park. There will be a lot of pullback in the market. Let me show it to you right now. So let's say now I do a simple. Okay, hold on, change the color a bit here, lost. Okay. Okay, so this is like the opening price yesterday. Okay, a bit of buffer there, and then this is a target level 6,910. Okay, so that is how everything went through. But let's say go to the 5-minute chart, you will see a bit of difference here. The 5-minute chart will show you something like this yesterday. Okay, so what we did is that as a trader, you will purchase it right above the OP, and then the market will ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, took a while, and then it reached the 910. So of course, this whole journey, you'll say, oh, that was pretty simple. I mean, there was some pullback, but then all is good, right? Yeah, but the thing is this, as a trader, right, imagine when you are going up all the way here, there's a very good chance when the market pulls back, you get freaked out. And then if the market holds for you because you overslept or you did something different, and then the market go up and it ding dong, ding dong, ding dong for almost 2 hours, then 1 hour plus before it move up again. That day, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong again for a very long time, about 2 hours or 1 hour and a half. Then there was a very big push up in the market, which I think the European came in, and that's 910 was given around somewhere around here. So the thing is this, how would I trade yesterday if you ask me with the system itself, right? Let's bring the system in now. Okay, I put the Dow Jones in the picture. Okay, and then I will put the 2 lines that I need. So I put the first horizontal line here. So this is opening price, and this is the KCB. Okay, so let's see what happened yesterday. Now, what's yesterday? All the KTs are already lost, so we cannot really use the KTR as a guide. But we can still use price action as the thing to take out for, and we can see what happened over here. Okay, so let's take a look. So you can see right now, let's say hypothetically what happened yesterday is that you will be buying, oops, oh gosh. Okay, hold a minute. You would be buying somewhere around here, okay? And then the price goes up, the first wave. Then you add a position at CCRY, second wave. Then maybe you set somewhere here or here, example, the third wave. And then the CCRY, the fourth wave, CCRY, the fifth wave, and then voila, the market reaches this point. So you see my point now? Although you can use the conventional to trade, but there's a way where you can have our indicator where you know the boys are all buying. That's why the price stabilized. Why the market goes sideways because the boys were selling. Why we can buy again, the KSI stay green, and then after that it pulls back over here. That's really buying, and then after buying, the market turns to KSI green, and that's where you can have a very good buy. And the market was moving upwards all the way in, and you can take a profit right here itself at 910. So it's that simple if you have the whole package and you know how to do and the strategy that you have in mind. All right, rather than you just go everywhere in the market to buy. Of course, the market later on in the second half, they broke the 910 and all the way to the new high of 43,174. But that then it's not part of the KCB that we had earlier. So we're going to just give it a miss. I'm not going to tell you hindsight stuff because at the end of the day, it doesn't work. So again, all I can tell you is this: what it really works is that if you do a homework in your KCB, your opening price, it should be. Let's see the KCB. The next one is where is that? The next KCB is somewhere around here or here itself, which is like 43,225 as mentioned. If not, the 42,989, which the market has taken out already. Yeah. Okay, all right, cool. So it's very simple for today. Just remember this OP rule plus KCB is all enough for you. Like try it out and let me know in a comment. Do it one more time tomorrow itself. Bye bye.